In a world where Vikings believe dragons are their enemies, one boy dares to think different. Hiccup, small, clever, and constantly underestimated, meets a wounded night fury, the rarest dragon of them all. But instead of killing it, he sets it free. What begins as fear turns into friendship, and that bond changes their world forever. In this 2025 live-action remake, How to Train Your Dragon brings every flame, every flight, and every emotion to life. More real than ever. The sky scenes are breathtaking. The bond feels deeper, yet the story remains the same timeless reminder. Sometimes, being different is what makes you legendary. Would you trust the dragon everyone fears?